Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today we have a vintage Vernon advertising lighter. This particular lighter has advertising for EMKEN Realty, and that's the only information on there, along with a phone number with no area code. I don't know when area codes were invented, but that might give some clue as to dating the manufacture of this lighter. The base says Vernon lighter, Newton, Iowa, made in USA. It is aluminum. The case, anyway, is aluminum with a brushed finish, like a brushed chrome. Sure, I don't think it's chrome on aluminum, but some sort of brush finish, and then a sort of satin finish on the sides, top and bottom, and then the entire lid is a sort of barred static pattern. As well as the entire back of the lighter. I couldn't find a whole lot of information about the Vernon lighter other than a really a much older, not just really old, but much older, like I think the teens or 20s semi-automatic type, like the Revolt or Imperators, Thorns, that sort of thing. This is obviously, I don't think, the same company. And not only that, but I have a suspicion that this is a Vernon lighter in name only. In other words, branded Vernon lighter, but manufactured by someone else. If you enjoy watching videos about old petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video that you are watching. Tell your friends about the channel. Hit that share button. Send the link off in a text, email, post it on social media, however it is that you communicate with folks nowadays, and let them get a look at it for themselves. You can leave any comments or questions below the video. We would also appreciate it if you would follow and like us across all the social media platforms: Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and of course eBay. That'll be Dependable Flame or dependableflame.com. So it says Vernon lighter, but it is very similar in just about every way to a lighter manufactured by Park Industries. This lighter was brand new and the insert is unmarked. It doesn't have a flint in it, and I cannot remember if it had one in it when I first got it. I've had this lighter for a few years. A lot of times these plastic screws you can see how the dye or coloring or something there is bled off into the felt pad from this plastic screw, and that happens a lot, and there's a lot of times that that plastic screw will be degraded to the point that you're not going to get it out of there with a screwdriver. So we have a lighter marked Vernon and an insert that is unmarked, that both have striking similarities to Park Industries lighters. Just to compare, this unmarked insert that was in the Vernon lighter with a pipe lighter insert made by Park Industries. Very similar, and of course the Park Industries insert fits in there like a glove. So that pipe lighter insert was aluminum, just like the original insert was. This is a Park Industries, Park Sherman, Springfield, Illinois insert. No plastic on it. It's got a metal flint spring screw. And of course, fits right at home there. This is the Storm King windproof. With the Park Sherman insert. Four different Park Industry inserts. It will all work in this Vernon lighter. This Vernon lighter, if it is made by Park Industries, it really does have a lot of hallmarks. The aluminum construction, the plastic flint spring screw, the dual theme of, or texture maybe, I'm not sure if theme is the right word, but they did a lot of this contrasting textures and look of the lighter. Until next time.